10:30 today, the top court of the country goes ahead. Justice Alam and Justice C.K. Prasad pronounced the judgment in the case. They have now stated the death sentence of Amir Ajmal Kasab has to be upheld. The main reasons that they've given for this, and I read out from what they've said, is there is no prejudice that has been caused to Kasab. They've said the confession was very much voluntary that was made to the police by Kasab. They've also said, and this is the most important part on the reason why death sentence is being given to him, the primary and foremost offense of Kasab in waging war against India is made out. That seems to be the top contention of the top court of the country, where they say the primary offense of waging the war against India is made out. Remember, this was Kasab's main argument. Kasab in the court had said even though he's guilty of committing murder, he cannot be held guilty for waging war against India. The prime reasons for that being he was not a part of the bigger conspiracy. Today the Supreme Court demolishes his argument in 2 lines. They say conspiracy can very easily be made out against Ajmal Amir Kasab. They've also said waging a war against India is made out. In fact, earlier the Supreme Court had also said we cannot take the term waging a war against India to mean only against the government, which really translates into something that the Supreme Court had observed in February. Kasab has waged a war against India's integrity, against India's unity, against India's sovereignty. That seems to be the basis of this very huge judgment of the Supreme Court, which has now stated Kasab should be given has waged a war against the country. We also have to remember at this aspect, at this point, the court has also said we are constrained to hold that there is no option but awarding the death penalty to him.